Hello, my name is Nicholas Silva, and welcome back to another video for the Pompano Beach High School Computer Science Club. And in our last video, we went over simple arrays, and in this video, I'm going to be showing how to write an array list and how it's different from an array, say. So to help me with this example, I've made here a car dealership class, and I've also written some things in the main. This is as we saw in the last video, this is an array with a set size, which is 2, and I've added a Ferrari and a Maserati because car dealership, car lot, in a car lot there's cars, and I put the Ferrari and the Maserati. And if I wanted to here, I could, if I wanted to see what is in, say, slot 0, or the first slot, I can go here and I can write system.out.print car lot 0. And then if I go ahead and do that, if we go ahead and run that, we're going to get Ferrari because it is in the first slot. Alright, so that is basically an array. And here I'm going to show you guys how to make an array list. So making an array list, you want to start out by writing array list, and then you want to give the name of an array list. Since we're already dealing with car lot, I'm going to go ahead and here and call this array list car lot list. And then after this, we got to do equals new, and then write array list right after. There we are. So that is going to make our new array list, which is going to be car lot. And if I wanted to add something to this array list, let's make it similar to the car lot. So if I wanted to add something to the car lot list, instead of having to write up here car lot list 0 equals Ferrari, I can just simply go here and do car lot list dot add, and then I can just write here Ferrari. I can just do car lot list, or car lot list dot add Ferrari. And then if I wanted to add the Maserati, I could go ahead here, just copy this, go ahead here and just do car lot list Maserati. And then if I want to go ahead and print that out, I'm going to go ahead and print that out. We're going to print car lot list. If I go ahead and print that, we are going to get Ferrari and Maserati in these little brackets. This is from the car lot, and this is from the car lot list here. So to show the difference between them, if I want to go ahead here and say, instead of adding, I want to add something else to the Ferrari or the car lot list, I could say add a let's add a Toyota. So if I want to go ahead here and write Toyota, and then I go ahead and print out the car lot list, we go ahead and print that out, we're going to get Ferrari, Maserati, and Toyota, and this is from the car lot. And then if I go ahead and do that up here, if I want to do car lot 2 equals Toyota, if I go ahead and do that and I print, we're going to get a giant error code. And this is because this array can only hold 2 strings, and it's only holding Ferrari and Maserati. So with an array, if I wanted to add this Toyota, I would have to increase the size of this array to 3. And then if I go ahead and do that, it'll run normally. And I can actually go ahead and show you here. Can print that out here. Yeah, so basically the way they differ is that an array has a set size, and you need to give it a set size, while an array list has no set size, so you can add things and you can even delete things if you would like. I can actually show you right here. Instead of .add, I can do .remove Toyota, and then if I print that out, we're only going to get Ferrari and Maserati. So there's so many things you can do. You can add, you can remove, and there's so many other things. And that's pretty much the way they differ. The array has a set size, and an array list has a size that is not set, so you can change it in any way you want to. So if you wanted to see some examples, maybe a school list, something that's going to keep going, student names, there's always adding new names. And it could also be something like in a car lot dealership, something like the number of cars that are going in and out. They're always changing. So something like that would probably want to use an array list instead of an array because it's always changing and there's no set size. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can write those down in the comment section below, and you can also email them to the number, or you can also email them to the email in the description. That's it for today's video. Have a good one.